Hi guys, welcome back to Budget with me. I'm really sorry that I am quite late this week to do this. The thing was I'll put that in there. The thing was I was trying to film, and I live in an apartment complex and the kids were just running amok. If anybody lives in an apartment, just give me a love heart because you know the pain that we feel. But how the hell have you been? How are you doing with regards to your budgets? I hope everything is going good with you. I hope you're really focused to this. It's really now is the time that you can kind of drop off. We're going into the 5th month of the year, and you probably think, oh, my goals aren't it's so far away. But I'd say if you don't have a sinking fund for Christmas, etc., I would really say to get one into you. Get one into you. Get a sinking fund right into you. Get that sorted. I would love to know, comment how you are getting on in your budget so far. I'd love to know how you're all keeping up. Oh, green. Sorry about this. What else goes in there? Okay. I just like to have a bit of color. I'm not gonna lie. Love a bit of highlighting. Someone was actually messaging me that like I love the highlighting, but it just looks nice, Now. So let's start. Now, guys, if you are doing this monthly, I agree with someone who commented last week. If you're doing this monthly, you would do the projected. But like I said, this is my real life budget. I've been doing this for 3 years. If I don't have 2 years, if I don't have this figure out what I'm kind of doing, then I never will by now. So that's why. But if you are doing it monthly, keep a note of everything that you're spending in your spending tracker and come back and see if you actually did do what you said you were going to do in the projected at the start. So let's get to it anyway, guys. My food, 60. Mortgage, 265. Petrol, I'm not putting anything in. Car insurance is 15. Electricity, I'm going to round that up to 14, guys. I just like having a little bit more. Property management is 30. So let's go. Make sure you're seeing the old calculator action. So we have 60 plus 265 plus 15 plus 14 plus 30. And that's 384 we're getting there. Minus 550. That's 166 I have going forward. Now let's go down. We have 166 that we know that's going on to the next one. The children's clothes, I put a $5 in that. Life insurance is 480. I should just round that up really. House miss, it's a $5 as well. The TV license is 350. My phone is €6. Birthdays are €10. Christmas is $12.50. Broadband is €6 again. Car maintenance is a tenner. And house miss is €5. So I just add that all up. I'm going to use that hand. I'm left-handed, guys, so that's why if you see, you can't see what I'm writing. But how have you been? Like, how is the sinking funds? Are they building? I know, like, we're all on small incomes in our own ways. I know it's hard to build those sinking funds up, guys, but I'd love to know how you are doing. 67.80, and we're going to minus 166 equals 98.20. So there's 98.20 up here. Now for the self-care, we're going to go straight into it. I'm going to give myself a tenner, put the kids at a $5. Audible and pausing. Netflix, I've upped that because it's $17.99 times 12 equals 215 I'll be paying for the year, divided by 52 equals 415. So I'm going to make that 415 from now on. And the magazine, it's just I'll give that 150 because that's just coming out of my bills account. So what do I have here? It's 10, 5, oh, so let's go 15. Oh, okay, let's go again. So we have 2065 altogether. minus 98.20 equals 77.55. And then I know straight away that I put, how much do I want to put into the charity this week? I'm going to give charity £12.50. Let's up that. I'm trying to get charity to €55 a week. I'm not messing around with that. I just think it's the right thing to do. So I'm just going to be doing that anyway. So we have 17.50 minus, and that's 60 I have left. And I'm going to put that straight into my deposit. That's a nice one, actually. So we have 60.05 plus 5 plus 12.50, and that comes to 77.55. We know that's a zero-based budget, so my whole budget has been accounted for. So that's like a really good way of doing that. So that's that done. Let's see how we're doing. 2 pages. That's my spending tracker. I've been doing really well with that. I'm not gonna lie. I actually haven't set up my daily list, but it's all good. Okay, so we know on the 6th I fill these, and we just seen that on the sinking fund I filled these on the 13th as well. So we know all that is filled anyway. And I'm just going to go the 13th of the 5th. I don't know why I write 2021. And now let's go and stuff those envelopes. So now this is telling me basically how much I want to put in them. So let's get my envelope. My envelope is living its best life. Oh, let's turn it that way, guys. So my self-care, I know I put a tenner in there. Maybe I shouldn't start with that. Should I start with that? Let me see what else I have. No, we start with what's over here. So we have the kids. I know I put a £5 in there. So we have €6 in there. So I'm just going to take that back. Put a £5, a tenner in. This is not going to build the kids because as much. I have a few things planned for them. So the household, we're going to put in a £5 in there again. I'm going to try and build this up because I really want to finish off the bathroom. That's my mission. To have that done. Next week the videos are going to be a little bit different. You'll see what I mean, and I hope you're going to like the little change of the format because I think that's always good. Shopping, I always put 60 in, and my shopping is building up nicely. I'm really proud of that. Like you see, there's 20, so we have 80 in this week, and I'm like 85. So what I'm hoping is I spend like 45 again. Doing the yellow stickers, that's been really saving me, I have to say. So for myself, I have 20, but you remember, I've been saving for skincare. I'm really getting into like my skincare. So I actually have 40. I have 40 in there. And I'm going to put, I have an extra £5 there, and I don't even know how I have that. But that's my skincare. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put 6 in there like normal. So I have 26 going forward, and then I'm just going to put 4 in there. So my skincare is building, and I have a full-on routine, so it needs to be building, you know. And that's really it for my cash envelopes, guys. I've already written down that I've put in there. Actually, so I'm going to do, I'll put that in here. I don't know why I have this extra, and I have a feeling I'll figure that out. But look, we don't sweat the small stuff, sure we don't. Now that's that done. My envelope has been stuffed. Hope you all have a good week. And like I said, I'm going to be doing, it's going to be a lot longer, my weekly videos. And if I miss them, I miss them. I apologize. Life gets in the way sometimes. But I hope this keeps you motivated, because it really does keep me motivated and keeps me accountable. And I love seeing my envelopes building. I love seeing that I'm coming in here. And I basically, at this point, budget for accountability and to keep myself, you know, going as well. So have a lovely week, guys. And I hope this was informative. Bye.